I'm gonna do something that I think is pretty fun. To get started, I just need to dump a little bit of scripts into Autoit. Then into this, I'll add a sprite. I tried making sprite with walking frames. Unfortunately, it was so bad I decided to get it from Google. After attaching to the script, this shows immediately a result. However, this shows nothing but a simple sprite, so I had to add it in a bunch of functions to make sure that it will have an animation. Okay, so now with all the functions working with the sprite, I can add more sprite. I'll go back to Google and search for other sprite animation, and I modify until it's almost suited to the script. What I'm trying to do now is adjust the variables to fit the new animation, and unfortunately, what I have is a bunch of errors. This ended up taking even longer than I thought though, and it was only a day after that I started catching sight of mistake. It was hard to see, because I was suspecting on the other line of script, which misguided me in looking at the right place. So now all I have to do is add a lot of console write, and I can finally locate errors straightforward. Then what I have to do next is continue the scripting with the animation in mind and patiently follow the console write. After more hours it eventually nearing to finalize the script, and in this point it should acting as it should be. So now it's finally time for the fun part, and all I need is to add another portion of function that give random action, and so we added it. As soon as we play it starts doing more stuff and it's kind of ending into boring. Then I changed the sprite with a detailed one. I am a fanatic of Ragnarok, so I decided to have them as my sprites. It needs a lot of editing to be compatible with our current script. Now, the sprites are ready, so I use code generator to convert the image into a string. This way sprites exist within the script. To make this sprite work, our script needs details about its transform or sizes. I stored them in words while editing in Photoshop, so we won't go reopening all Photoshop and get the transform of each sprite. And finally, now all we need to do is add the content of the new sprite into array within the function that calls getBitmapArray. So voila, it has a nice sprite now. It will be more fun if we add a few health status so that our sprite can be more alive, but that's it for now.